तुम समझते क्या हो अपने आप को? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? मेरा मूड खराब हो गया है। My mood is ruined. My mood is ruined. इधर आओ और मेरी बात सुनो। Come here and listen to me. Come here and listen to me. इसमें सिर्फ 1 मिनट लगेगा। This will take hardly 1 minute. This will take hardly 1 minute. अब मुझे यहाँ जॉब नहीं करनी पड़ेगी। Now I won't have to do this job. Now I won't have to do this job. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। No problem at all. No problem at all. क्या तुम्हें अभी और पैसों की ज़रूरत है? Do you still needed more money? Do you still need more money? गली में पानी भरा है। The street is waterlogged. The street is waterlogged. और यह सब तुम हमें अब बता रहे हो। And you are telling us all this now. And you are telling us all this now. अब दिखावा करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। There is no need to pretend now. There is no need to pretend now. मेरे हाथ जो लगा मैंने ले लिया। I could get my hands on. I could get my hands on. वह रातों रात अमीर बन गया। He became rich overnight. He became rich overnight. और आपने मुझ पर शक किया। And you doubted me. And you doubted me. मैं उससे बात कर लूँगा। I will talk to him. I will talk to him. इस कुत्ते को यहाँ से भगाओ। Shoo the dog away from here. Shoo the dog away from here. तुम कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? तुमने उसकी बेइज्जती की। You humiliated her. You humiliated her. तुम्हें भी कुछ ऐसा ही करना चाहिए। Even you should do something like this. Even you should do something like this. यहाँ बहुत भीड़ है। It is too crowded here. It is too crowded here. मेरे इंटरनेट का डाटा खत्म हो गया है। I have run out of data. I have run out of data. मैं तुम्हारे लिए भोजन लाया हूँ। I have brought food for you. I have brought food for you. उसे यह पूरी जिंदगी याद रहेगा। He would remember it all his life. He would remember it all his life. मेरा पीछा मत करो। Don't follow me around. Don't follow me around. क्या बताता मैं उसे? What would I have told him? What would I have told him? क्या तुम अपनी किस्मत नहीं आजमाओगे? Will you not try your fortune? Will you not try your fortune? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। There is nothing of that sort. There is nothing of that sort. सुनो, ये क्या पहना हुआ है तुमने? Listen, what is that you are wearing? Listen, what is that you are wearing? बाकी के 3 कहाँ हैं? Where are the remaining 3? Where are the remaining 3? अगर तुम्हें रुपए मिल गए तो? What if you get rupees? What if you get rupees? मैं क्यों ना करूं? Why should not I? Why should not I? अब मेरे रास्ते में कोई नहीं आ सकता. No one can get in my way now. No one can get in my way now. क्या आप जानते हैं कि वो कहाँ जाता है? Do you know where he goes? Do you know where he goes? मुझे इंटरव्यू के लिए देर हो रही है. I am getting late for the interview. I am getting late for the interview. तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? वह अभी तक आया क्यों नहीं? Why has not he returned yet? Why has not he returned yet? मुझे शायद पीछे मुड़कर देखना चाहिए. I think I should turn around and see. I think I should turn around and see. उसका बचना नामुमकिन है. It's impossible for her to survive. It's impossible for her to survive. वह आपकी तौहीन कर रहा है. He is insulting you. He is insulting you. जैसा कहा है वैसा करो. Just do as you are told. Just do as you are told. उसने तुमसे भी पैसे लिए. She took money from you too. She took money from you too. क्या आप जानते हैं वो क्या करता है? Do you know what he does? Do you know what he does? मैं तुम्हें उससे मिलने दे सकता हूँ. I can let you meet him. I can let you meet him. जब वो वापस आएगा मैं उसे दे दूंगा. I will give it to him once he returns. I will give it to him once he returns. वह आपसे बात करना चाहता है. He wants to speak to you. He wants to speak to you. मुझे उससे माफी मांगनी पड़ेगी. I will have to apologize to her. I will have to apologize to her. मेरा तुझे थप्पड़ मारने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like slapping you. I feel like slapping you. इसके दिमाग में कुछ तो चल रहा है. Something going on his mind. Something going on in his mind. और कितना इम्तिहान लोगे मेरा? इसका जवाब आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में दीजिए. और हाँ, वीडियो थोड़ा भी अच्छा लग रहा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दें.